Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Ask Parul. So if you are an Australian resident for tax purposes, then I have a great news for you, and that is that you would be paying much less taxes, and which means more income at hand from 1st of July 2024. So I just wanted to make a short video, which is a quick update for all my viewers who are watching this from Australia, or if you have friends or family members who are there in Australia. So basically, the federal government, which had committed to shifting tax cuts that were legislated about half a decade ago, and as per that, every worker, whether you are a low to medium income earner or if you are a high income earner, is supposed to see a little increase to their salary slips coming from 1st of July 2024, which is roughly 5 months from now. So if you want to see how you stand to be benefited from these stage 3 tax cuts, then I will be showing you the exact calculation through a tax calculator using the exact numbers. So do ensure you watch this video till the end. So let's quickly take a look at when these stage 3 tax cuts are going to be implemented. So the tax cuts are going to come into effect at the start of the next financial year, which is from 1st of July 2024. And it's worth noting that this is different to some of the recent tax changes that have happened in Australia in the recent past. So I'm not too sure if you know, but unlike the fondly remembered low to middle income tax offset that returned up to $1,080 at tax time, this tax cut which is going to be implemented will not be a lump sum that is going to be given back to you when you file for your taxes. However, from 1st of July 2024, you will have slightly less tax taken out of your regular pay, and which means a little bit more in hand salary. So I'm going to show you the exact numbers, what kind of bump you can expect on a weekly or fortnightly or monthly basis, depending on the frequency at which you get your salary. But the caveat here is that the federal government will have to pass this new tax reforms through to the parliament, and it will need the support of the Greens as well. So as long as that happens, the changes should automatically be reflected in the salaries coming from 1st of July onwards, because it will have the taxes will be as per the new tax regime. So let's quickly take a look at what are these new stage 3 tax brackets looking like. So the proposed plan looks like that if you are earning up to 18,200, then you don't need to pay any taxes. For every dollar which is earned between 18,200 to 45,000, you need to be paying 16%. So previously it was 19%. This has now reduced to 16%. If you are earning between $45,000 to $135,000, so on every dollar which is earned in that range, you need to pay 30% tax. This $135,000 initially was at a lower, it was around $120,000. So now it has bumped up to $135,000. If you are earning between $135,000 to $190,000, then you need to be paying a 37% tax rate. So previously this was $180,000. In the current financial year, this is going to change from $180,000. It's now going to be moved up to $190,000. And if you are earning above $190,000, then for every dollar which you are earning, you need to pay 45% tax rate. So let's just quickly take a look at that. What was the initial proposed plan? So the previous proposed plan was that if you are earning up to 18,200, so you don't need to pay any tax. So that still remains the same. Pay 19% tax on each dollar earned between 18,201 to $45,000. So this has changed slightly, because as I was telling you previously, in the current proposed plan, it is 16%, but in the previous proposed plan, it was 19%. In the previous proposed plan, there was nothing like a 37%. So if you're earning between $45,000 to $200,000, you need to be paying a 30% tax. And anything above $200,000, which was 45% tax. So I understand if you are a high income earner, then this new change may not be as beneficial or as advantageous as the previous proposed plan looks like, but the proposed changes will reduce some of the benefits for the high income earners in order to be able to fund the returns for the low income earners. So as you can see in this graph, if you are earning somewhere close to anything around $150,000 or little less than $150,000, the new proposed plan will give you a bit bump in your take-home salary and obviously lesser tax. However, if you are earning anything around 160K up to $250,000, then your proposed tax change has reduced slightly. But having said that, you all would still be receiving some benefits despite the fact that you're a high income earner or you're a medium income earner or low income earner. Obviously, the lower to middle income earners will get more benefited, but the high income earners will also get benefited from it. So that was a quick update. Now I'm going to just quickly show you how the tax cuts, the stage 3 tax cuts, is going to affect you. So let's just quickly take a look at with this tax calculator that we have at hand. All right, so I'm going to link this calculator in my description link. Go and check that out. But let's assume you have an annual income of $80,000 at the moment. So as per the stage 3 tax cuts, you would be saving up to $1,680 per year. And if you divide this by 12, you can actually see what's the bump in your monthly salary that you could be getting. If you get paid weekly, you can divide it by 52. If you get paid fortnightly, you can divide this by 26. Right, so let's just quickly take a look at if your annual income is $100,000, then you would be receiving tax savings of $2,179 per year. Let's assume if you earn $150,000, then now you can see that this is an inflection point where you would start to receive $300,000, almost $3,700 saving per year in your tax cut. And if you divide this by 12, that's how your monthly salary is going to bump up. And let's take a look at if you are on the higher income bracket, which is $200,000, then you would be saving close to about $4,500 per year in taxes, which means that your monthly salary is going to increase by close to about $400 per year, which is not bad actually. So yeah, I'm going to be linking this in my description link below. Go and check that out. But I just wanted to make this short video as a quick update. I am pretty sure it would be helpful for most of the residents of Australia. And like I said, this is yet to be passed. Most likely in few months from now, we'll know exactly what the situation is. But hopefully you found this video useful. And if you found this video useful, then do give it a thumbs up, do subscribe to my channel. And until I see you the next time, goodbye. Take care.